Select the Farm section to view all the available farming pools, including those for meme tokens. Take a look at the annual percentage rate, APR, and annual percentage yield, APY, for each pool. Participation rewards include WFX tokens. For this guide, we're opting for the FX Purse pool. Click Deposit to proceed and review the pool summary. Click on Add FX Purse Liquidity. Decide on the amount to contribute, ensuring you have an equal dollar value for both tokens in the pair. Check the calculated price and your potential share in the pool. If satisfied, click Supply, then confirm and approve the transaction in your FX wallet. Post-transaction, you'll receive LP tokens, signaling your liquidity contribution. Initially, this will act as a regular pool contribution. Return to the Farm section and click Deposit on the FX Purse pool once more. Look for the option to deposit your LP tokens back into the pool. Click to add your LP tokens and approve the transaction. This step may require confirmation twice to complete the process. Now, part of the FX Purse farming pool, you can manage your investment by clicking on Manage. Within the Management section, claim your WFX, Wrapped FX rewards, or add more liquidity to increase your share. If needed, you can also withdraw your liquidity directly from this section. Congratulations! You've now successfully started yield farming on MarginX using your FX wallet. Just a quick reminder, like all things in crypto, participating in yield farming comes with its risks. Ensure you're aware of what you're diving into. Happy farming!